In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Notion with Slack step by step. Connecting these two platforms allows you to receive Notion updates directly inside your Slack channels, helping your team stay organized, informed, and synchronized without constantly switching between apps. Let's get started. First, open your Notion workspace. Once you're inside, look at the left sidebar and click on Settings. This area contains all of your Notion account and workspace configuration options, including integrations and connected apps. After opening Settings, navigate to the Connections tab located under the Account or Workspace section. This is Notion's central hub for managing integrations with external platforms and tools. Inside the Connections section, scroll down until you find Discover New Connections. Here, Notion displays a list of supported integrations that can be connected to your workspace. Look through the list and find Slack. Once you locate it, click the Connect button underneath the Slack integration option. Clicking Connect will open a new authorization window. This screen allows Slack and Notion to securely communicate with each other. You'll now see a list of permissions that Notion is requesting inside your Slack workspace. These permissions determine what information the integration can access and how Notion can interact with your Slack channels. Take a moment to review the requested permissions carefully. Once you're comfortable with the access being requested, click Allow. This authorizes the integration and connects your Notion workspace to Slack. The setup process usually completes within just a few seconds. To confirm that everything worked correctly, return to your Notion workspace and open Settings again, then go back to the Connections tab. You should now see Slack listed as an active connection. This confirms that the integration is fully connected and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Notion with Slack. You can now enjoy smoother communication between both platforms, making it easier for your team to stay updated and collaborate more efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.